Hello, this is Chamber from Reno CTS, and this is Post-Apocalyptic Review. Today we are reviewing the XDM-40, which initial design, obviously the person who thought of this model type weapon, as along with most other XDs, is the mix between the 1911 design and the Glock design. Which this has two safeties, has the same type of Glock trigger safety design, and the 1911 back safety design, which so far, since I've used this gun, I've actually been rather impressed. I've been kind of iffy originally on the idea of the XD, heard a lot of flaws, heard a lot of pros, but so far, this one has impressed me. Not one failure so far. Haven't pumped too many rounds besides I think I pumped maybe close to 50 rounds. Not one hiccup. Nada. One thing that's also unique is actually how the front of the gun closely resembles a 1911. Has that wide top and then lowered bottom, which not many particular firearms have. This one I do not like that much in the way of feel because of how much goes in the very bottom. It feels way too big for me. Where some people with larger hands would probably enjoy this, but not me. If I was going to have this for some sort of concealed gun, I'd hate myself because of how much it protrudes out. Actually, it protrudes out more than the Glock Model 22 with a +2 on it.